could it be?
What is it? Rip it. Ooh, keep ripping. That's attractive. Both of us blowing our noses.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish
Rip it, baby.
you a Merry Christmas. Wish you
It's from Aunt Shirley. What is it?
Good tidings to you and all of your friends.
Ooh.
Wish you Merry Christmas. Happy New
Keep going. Whoa.
What is it, Emily? What is it? Open it up.
Can you flip it up?
What is
Oh,
it?
it's big.
What is it? Elmo!
Wow.
Clap your hands, Elmo!
What's he do? Press his other hand.
Yeah.
Press the other one. Yours, yeah.
You like it? You like him, Emily? More. Squeeze his hand.
Do it hard. A little harder? Nanny, do it.
It comes out there, you know.
It is yours. Do you want Mommy to get him out of the box? Yay!